In this class, we will talk about what is loop in programming. Basically, if we talk about loop, this thing is known as repetition. Or suppose we create any web application, we find out some things repeatedly again and again. Same task repeated again and again. For suppose uh, we take some real-time examples and most popular examples as well. It will help you most to understand the logic of programming loop. Okay, for suppose in a Facebook, users registered a million thousands of users registered on daily basis. So the task of registration is repeated. Okay, for suppose many people create post on Facebook, millions of repetitions repeated again and again. This is the logic of web application. For suppose um, people likes and there are millions and billions of views generated on YouTube videos, and many other things are repeatedly created. For suppose if we talk about time, every second repeatedly change, a minute repeated, hours repeated, days are repeated in a date point of view. So uh, loop playing one of the core tasks in a web application. For suppose we need to repeat registration, we need to repeat many tasks in a programming. According to definition in computer programming, a loop is sequence of instructions that is continuously repeated. Alright, what is a sequence of instructions? For suppose um, registration, uh, it is an instruction which is generated over Facebook website. Okay, and it is continuously repeated until a condition is reached. For suppose um, register get register itself until unless he will not give the name, password, email address or cell phone number, he will not be registered into the Facebook account, he will not generate its ID. When condition is reached, he will be registered successfully. Typically, a certain process is done, alright, such as getting an item of data and changing it. Okay, some condition is checked, such as whether a counter has reached a prescribed number. Alright, so we have three types of loops. One is for loop. We will also generate code for it, and we will tell you where is the real time applications for that kind of loops, and what is while loop and do while loop. There are three loops mostly used in and in the any web application. Okay, so in next class we will talk about for loop. Good luck, bye.